Hey guys, I'm Chinu and welcome back to my channel. Yes, long time no see. Well, it's been like 2 years since I last uploaded my video. So that's about it. Well, today's video is, as it's already mentioned in the title, it's Myntra end of season sale haul. Well, the sale was from 16th or 19th June to 22nd June, and I have purchased a lot of things. Well, I won't say a lot, there are 5 products with me. Actually, I have ordered 7 products, but 2 of them I have to return because one was not exactly like I wanted everything in cotton, but by mistake I didn't see the material mentioned in that particular kurti, and that was polyester, and I don't like that material Zada, so I returned it. And the other one that got returned was because they sent me a wrong kurti. Like the one I've ordered was out of stock by the time it reached me, so I was not able to, return it. Replace it, so I have to return it, and that's why I'm left with 5 products. So I have 4 kurtis and a dress with me over here. And so let me just tell you one thing about Myntra, what I love about it. If you are into Indian wear, Myntra have a really nice collection of Indian wear at a very affordable price range. Like what I think personally, between 500 to 1000 the kurtis or kurta sets actually, which are in the range like 500 to 1000, or maximum to maximum 1500 if you are going for kurta sets, are really good with the quality, the designs, colors. They are great. So now, without wasting any more time, let's get started with the video. Okay, so let's start with the thing that have a minimum price, and then we'll go higher in the range. So the first thing that I've got is a dress from Ux. It is maroon in color. It has stripes all over it. Its length is actually just fine. It's a knee length dress, and the material is cotton. Very breathable. Let me tell you, material is great. So this is the dress, as you can see. It have frills on the sleeves and as at the border as well. So this one was priced at not priced at, actually I got it for rupees 269, and it was actually priced at rupees 1500. Yeah, I have written all the prices over here so that I can mention is it with the video. Okay, so let's move ahead with the next item. The rest of the items, all 4 of them are kurtis. So let's begin. The first one I have got is this kurti from the brand Ahika, and it's a simple straight kurti. I really love the length of the kurtas. Like all 4 of them have really nice length. That's what I wanted. By the way, I am 5'5", so you can get an idea of the length with the image going on over here. So the material is polycrepe. It's not as breathable as cotton, but it is really easy to maintain. I mean, the best thing about polycrepe is you don't need to press it. Like bas dho sukhao and it will remain straight only. So that's the only thing. Otherwise, the print is really good. I mean, the material, the colors, and everything. The fit is also great. So yeah, I got this one for rupees 341, and it was actually priced at rupees 1000. So yeah. Okay, so let's move on to the next product, that is also a straight long kurta, which is this one. I really love the print. It's a navy blue, green and lemon shade. See the length, it's nothing but a straight kurta, as you can see in the picture on the side. Okay, so this one have a half sleeves, and then there is this thread and knot detailing on the sleeves. Okay, so one more thing that I really like about this product is the pipelining done on it. It's of really good quality, which I think is rare these days. Okay, so that's it. Yeah, this kurti is of cotton, and that is a very breathable material, especially the one used on this one. I mean, a really good quality cloth is used on this. Okay, so the price of this kurti was 436. I mean, I got it for 436. The original price mentioned on Myntra was 1800, and this one is still in stock, and the last time that I checked, it was available for 503 rupees. So if you want, you can get this one from Myntra. I will mention the link of this product in the description bar below. I will try to mention the link of the products, of all products which are in stock, because I think most of them are out of stock right now, so sorry for that. Well, I really got good deals otherwise. Okay, the next kurti is, yeah, it's a gher wali kurti in peach color, and it's from the brand Varanga. Okay, you can read it in the description box. So this is the kurti. This is the peach colored kurti. It have this koti and then gher wala portion. I really love the color and the fabric. But the thing is, the print on it is rubber print. I really wished कि वो printed होता उसमें instead of the rubber print, because rubber print is sort of not easy to maintain. Like, you have to hand wash this kurti. Plus, while pressing it, you have to take care of that, and print निकलने लगता है. Well, इसका देख के लगता तो नहीं है कि it will be ruined, but you never know. Okay, so this one also have 3/4 sleeve, and then sleeves ke end mein there is this detailing. I don't know, I mean this lace pom pom type, chote pom pom type detailing, and then this is the neckline. So I paired it up with a white palazzo, as you can see on the video. So it was looking nice like that. Gher बहुत अच्छा है इसका. It is also in cotton. I think I have already mentioned it. And I really got this at a great price. That was rupees 485, and it was originally of 2700. And I don't think so it's available right now. Okay, other than that, there's one more thing. It's a bit see-through. I mean, light shades cotton में ऐसा होता है, but yeah, it is a bit see-through. But there is nothing that can't be managed. So yeah. Okay, so let's move on to the last product of the haul, which is also a frock style kurta in maroon color, and it's really long. I mean, I've already mentioned you about the length of the products. They are really good, and इसमें तो घेर भी काफी ज़्यादा अच्छा है. The material is cotton. It's really breathable, and इसके front में इस टाइप की detailing हो रखी है of buttons. And this one is from the brand Ives or Ives. I'm really sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. I'm really bad with brand names, so kindly ignore that. Other than that, the product is really good for casual events, and you can totally wear this one as a long midi, not midi, as a long dress. So yeah, this one was priced at rupees 785. So that is it about today's video. Do let me know which product you like the most in the comment section down below. Well, I will mention all the links in the description of the products if they are available, because as I have mentioned earlier, most of them are out of stock. So that's about it. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and do subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more DIY or art content, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Insta handle goes by the name just_Chinu. So that's about it. Have a good day. Toodles. 341, and it was priced at 1,000 rupees. Actually, no, I said it in reverse. Okay, so I'm not very good in hauls, so bear with me. Okay.